Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi, everybody. Alongside Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Welcome to EA Sports. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
We are about set to drop the puck as both centers make their way into the dot. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the wall. Backhander. He scores! Well, not long after they sat down for the anthem, they're back up.
Yeah, that's the whole point of this thing, isn't it? If you're at home, you want it to be a bit of a party. Early on, they've got the game's first goal. We had enough time to pick his spot, and he went 5-hole, beat the goaltender pretty cleanly.
Slovakia's got their crowd on their feet. They were just standing for the anthem moments ago.
Sit down, stand back up. What a great start for them here early in the first period.
Comes up with the steal. Carries it in. Denmark's got the puck. Now he takes it over the line. Receives the pass. Big save.
He's on it. Good chance, but he's able to glove that shot.
James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Team Denmark's won the draw. Centering pass on the one-timer. Great glove save.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Great hands to handle the saucer feed. And he slides it quickly to Chara. Hammers it from the point. Too many bodies in the way. Taken by Bjorkstrand. Moves it quickly over to Ehlers. Ehlers plays the puck. Moves right to the middle. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Coughs up the puck after that hit. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. Sekera's getting called for 2 minutes here by the officials.
When you see the player's numbers, you got to lay off the hit. He follows right through, and he'll rightfully go to the box for boarding.
Denmark's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Well, you're always looking for scoring chances. You're not going to get anything better than this. A power play trailing by 1. Chance to even the score up here on the power play.
Trying to clear the puck. Chance to breathe for the penalty killers as they clear the puck.
Solid play. It doesn't have to be the most attractive play, but that puck has to go out.
Steps into all of it in the open ice. Team Slovakia is going to be able to kill a few seconds off now with the puck. And manages to clear the zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Anderson's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed a cover there. Russell's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. 1-0 the score. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Just wide of the net. Pushes it across to Russell. Russell's got it in the offensive zone. Goalie keeps the play alive. Gets it out of his own end. Time to execute here on this power play. And now he moves it quickly to Boddicker. Sends the pass over. Puck scooped up by Marincin. Sekera's out of the box, and both sides are back to even strength.
You work so hard to get yourself back in the game, you earn a power play, and then you fail to cash in. So they still trail by 1. The game will continue at even strength.
And that's turned aside with a glove. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Looks to make a play over to Gaborik. With possession along the wall. Quick feed to Yarrows. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Carries it across the line. Move to the middle. And that's picked off in front. Slides the puck over. Moves the puck along the half wall. Wrister. Trapper save. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Into the offensive zone. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. And let's see what the definitive call is on the ice. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the officials saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Right up front, puts it on net. Another stop by the goaltender. Team Denmark's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Jensen's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And that one's turned away. Oh, and another big stop. And manages to clear the zone. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he moves it to Boddicker. Takes a slap shot from the point, and that goes wide.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
And there's the whistle, a much-needed one after he decides to hang on.
That was a mess in front of him. He's able to jump on the puck and get a face-off.
Denmark's got the lead in shots. Nevertheless, they still trail here in the first. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Slovakia's got a hold of it along the wall. That one sails to the bench, sending the coaching staff scrambling. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Ellers won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. And he totally whiffs on that one. Gets in front of it.
Well-positioned save, and he has the rebound over in the corner.
Bjorkstrand's going to play it against the half wall. Takes a shot. Traps that puck tight into his chest.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Team Denmark still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. The power play fails to convert. They still trail by 1.
Well, the slim margin stays, and that's on the backs of those penalty killers. They've done an outstanding job, and that's another one well executed.
Takes the feed at center. Lets one go. Misses a golden opportunity there.
Now he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Here he is in front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Chernak swooping in on the attack. Sends a pass over. Skates in behind the cage. Moves it around along the half wall. Knocked away. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Unable to reach that one. Takes it across the blue line. Shot. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. It's all tied up. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Jaros takes it across the line. On the attack along the boards. And that one's stopped. From the slot. Scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. That's a good play. It's a goal scorer's play. You shoot the puck and follow your shot. He gets a little lucky that it comes right back to him, but he makes no mistake.
Team Slovakia's offense has given them a one-goal lead. Not to be Captain Obvious here, Ray, but this is what the coach wants to see, right?
Love playing in front of the game, and you want to make the opponent chase you around the ice. They've accomplished that with the go-ahead goal.
Big time stop, gets a blocker on it. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Moves it over to Gaborik. Cannon of a shot, blocked in front. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. Nears the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Here's a short pass to Gaborik. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Quick pass to Boddicker. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. That's a solid hit. Strong defensive effort. Scrum along the boards. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Passes on over to Yurko. Yurko's got the puck. Lets it fly. Stopped by the goaltender. Nielsen's picking up steam. Passes right to the front. And that's picked off. Just misses.
Just misses the net, but really the scoring chance is not dangerous if you can't get the puck at the goaltender.
Puts it on net. Oh, comes up with a stop. Takes the puck along the boards. And he scores! What a shot!
This shot is a good one. It's released quickly, but the goaltender never picks it up. There's such a gaggle of traffic in front of him. He never finds the puck, let alone the shooter.
Slovakia's found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around, but there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
And that one's broken up. Moves it to Chara. Dano's got it across the line. Into the corner of the attacking area. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. From the left side, takes the pass. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Slovakia's got it from behind the net. Reads the pass perfectly and picks it off. From the right side and up the middle. Handles the puck. That one's off the blocker.
Really smooth stop here as he deflects this puck into the corner out of danger.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves it on over to Dano. Denmark's ready to go on the attack.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves it quickly over to Sekera. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. And now it's over to Tatar. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Strong use of the body. Team Slovakia's got a hold of the puck. With possession along the wall. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. And here comes the judgment from the official. I know he doesn't like the call on this one. Nobody does, but I think he has a case here, Ray.
Well, it looked like the penalty was going to be called, and then it got sold even more so. So that's a hooking call that he doesn't really like.
Slovakia sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Here's their first power play of the night, James, and they can be patient on it. They want to get the good shot, not just start firing puck after puck at the net.
Wide!
Wide, that's an understatement.
And that one's broken up. Great block there. Team Denmark's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Off target. On the doorstep with the tip. Goalie makes the save.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
And off the save, that one's redirected out of play.
With all that pressure around the front of the net, this is a terrific stop as he not only stops the puck, but is able to deflect it out of play. Now they can get a change, get some fresh people on the ice.
Christensen's won a big draw on their own end. Tries to get it out of the zone. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
Tatar's got the puck along the wing. Right in front of the net. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Tees it up from the back end. Right in front. Denmark's got a chance to work the transition game now shorthanded. Gets it out of his own end. Slovakia's got the puck behind the net. Takes it across the blue line. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength. And makes the save. Big stop by the keeper.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
There's a time to be risky. That one, there was no play. I think he could have gone deep with the puck.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Big time save with the blocker. And now it's grabbed by Halak. Halak's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Team Denmark's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Over the line they come. Here they are on the attack. Moves the puck. Turns it aside with the glove. Denmark still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Right in front! Chase right in front! Oh, he gets a blocker on it! What a reaction! Shot! And he comes up with it. And the first period comes to an end. 3-1 is the score after 20 minutes of play. If you like offense, well, that was a fun period to watch.
Take a look at our scoreboard as we acknowledge tonight's special groups in attendance.
Still lots of hockey still to come, so get ready here on EA Sports. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Team Denmark's puck possession was pretty dismal in that first period. They have the puck, and then they were like a turnover machine. They're lucky it's close.
Handles the puck at the point. Drops the hammer. Nice pass. Team Denmark's gained possession. Along the half wall with the puck. Team Slovakia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. And he slides it quickly to Chara. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Takes the feed. And there's the save.
Team Slovakia's relentless physical play has helped them get the lead in this game.
We're still in the early stages of this period. 3-1 is where we're sitting. Fans being treated to a lot of offense thus far. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Denmark's got it in their own zone. Carries it in. Moves it around along the half wall. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. And now he angles it across to Boddicker. From the left side, it moves to the middle of the ice. What a stop!
Russell's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Team Denmark still trailing in this one despite numerous shots on goal. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Gaborik's moving it ahead. Gaborik's got it against the boards. Now a quick pass to Chernak. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Great reactionary save on that chance. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. No, it's in. It's in. Looked like he had it, but not the case.
Pretty clearly, this puck changes direction. The defender's got his stick on the ice, and it deflects right there off his stick and into the net.
Denmark's got new life here in this second period, Ray.
It's amazing what a goal does. The energy on the bench changes. Guys can't wait to get on for their next shift.
Puck picked up by Jensen. And that one's stolen at center ice.
Slovakia's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept pucks on the middle of the ice. They've done a terrific job tonight.
Into the corner now. Quick feed to Jensen. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Still plenty of time left in this frame. Team Denmark's shown a new energy over these last few minutes. They got one back, but they still need one more in order to tie. From the point. Oh, he'll want to have that one back.
Wayne Gretzky says 100% of the shots you don't take don't go in. Same for the ones that miss the net.
Gets a stick on it to make the save. Big save by the goaltender once again.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
And now he tries to get it across to Marincin. On the attack along the boards. Unloads one. That goes wide.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
And it's a quick pass to Jensen. Shot. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Denmark's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Nielsen's won the draw. Puck grab by Jensen. Comes up with the stop. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. 3-2 is where we're sitting. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Carries it across the line. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Sekera. Lugs the puck back into the neutral zone. Hammers it on net. Makes the save. He got all of that hit. Taken by Chara. Dumps it in. Slovakia's got the puck along the boards. And he makes the save.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Wrists one. Stick save.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Team Denmark's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Put it off the post!
Denmark's still going to have to grind away here. They trail, and they're looking for something to go their way. That didn't help.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Knocked away. Taken along the wall by Yaros. Receives the pass. Right up front. Backhander in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes a bump but hangs on to the puck. Bjorkstrand's carrying it ahead. A chance in front. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. With the stop. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. And makes the save. Sends the pass over. Here's a short pass to Chernak. And now it's to Yurko. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone. Denmark's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Team Denmark's got control of it now from their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Lets it go! Denied by the goaltender. Denmark's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Back to the point it goes. And he slides it quickly to Marincin. Slides the puck over. Moves the puck down low. Moves with the puck at the corner. Pass right in front! And that one's broken up. Intercepts it in the neutral zone.
Team Slovakia's had outstanding stick positioning. Coaches will love to show this in the video tomorrow.
Here's a chance. Shot. Grabs it with the glove. More than half the frame has been played here. Just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. Puck scooped up by Jensen. Comes up with the stop. Team Denmark's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Looks to set up at the point now. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck, you get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
Well, this power play shows up at a rather opportune time. They're trailing by one, and now a chance to level the score off. Aggression will be the key for them.
Quick pass to Bjorkstrand.
55 seconds.
Eller's going to play it to the corner. And it goes wide.
Just think of all the stuff going on, James. He's trying to make the perfect shot. There's players trying to check him. The goalie's big. He's in tight. You don't see much room, and he just misses.
Denmark's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Ehlers. And that one's turned away. Team Denmark's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it.
Oh, I like this stop here. He makes the save, he looks in control, and the rebound's 30 to 40 feet away.
And the goaltender covers things up. All sorts of frantic action in front of the net.
Yeah, everybody's scrambling around trying to help. What's happening is everybody's getting out of position. They needed some help. They got it from the goaltender.
More than half the period has expired. 3-2 is where we sit in what has been a tightly contested affair. Here's a chance to get it out of their own end. And he gets the job done. Big thumbs up clearing that one. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Sends a pass over. And he slides it quickly to Boddicker. And now he moves it to Bjorkstrand. Puts it to the front of the net. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Their teammate jumps out of the box. We are back to even strength, and the penalty-killing unit gets it done with that one-goal lead intact.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done, and we go back to even strength.
Takes it across the blue line. Here's a chance right in the slot, and that one's broken up. With possession along the wall. And now it's over to Jensen. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Moves it to Nielsen. Manages to hang on. Bodker's got it along the wing. Bodker's the victim of a slash, and the official caught that. We got a penalty coming up. Let's see what the officials say. Slashing the call, and a pretty dangerous one at that.
That's way too big a swing to get away with. He's going to go to the box.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
This power play, which has been unsuccessful tonight, gets another opportunity. You know the coaches have talked to the players about a different approach to yet another power play.
And manages to clear the zone. Slides the puck across to Bjorkstrand. Over the line they come. Takes that pass back at the point. Blast from the point! And that sails over the net.
That's not going to do much good. A shot from the point that is a howitzer. It goes over the net. Who's going to tip that?
Moves the puck across to Ehlers. Ehlers setting up against the wall. Shoots it, locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
The goalie gets himself out of any potential trouble by depositing that rebound into the corner.
And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Handles the puck. Pushes it across to Ehlers. Sends it over. That's blocked. Handles the saucer pass beautifully. Now a quick pass to Ehlers. From one point man to another. And it's a quick pass to Ehlers. And a big kill keeps the one-goal lead intact. We're back to even strength. Denied by the goaltender.
Well, these penalty killers have been on the same page from the drop of the puck tonight. They have been outstanding when they've been a man down.
Here's a chance. Glove save. Here in the late goings of the period, it's a one-goal hockey game. 3-2 is where we sit. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Lets it fly. And the stick, his best friend on that save right there. Denmark's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. With some momentum driving towards the net. Denied him on that last chance. Tatar's got it in the offensive zone. That's his second.
Their line has played really well, James. I like the way they've moved the puck, and finally they're rewarded again. He's got them both. One timed into the net. Everybody is puck watching. The guy carrying it behind the net. I know he's got the puck, but the dangerous guy is behind you. He's in front of the net.
Team Slovakia's goal here late in the second has to take a ton of wind out of the sails from their opposition here.
I don't see how it couldn't. You're only one down, you feel pretty good about yourself. Now you're down two. It's a pretty tough spot to be.
By number 90.
Jaros has the puck against the half wall. Move to the middle.
Time of the goal.
And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Team Denmark's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they have been snake-bitten as they trail late in this second period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a chance out front. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Here in the late goings of the period, Slovakia has been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. And now it's grabbed by Jensen. He carries the puck up along the wing. Back to the blue line. And now he angles it across to Christensen. Hammers one. No room for that one to get through. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game.
Minute of play.
Along the half wall with the puck. Right out in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, it's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here.
They've got numbers. Sends it across. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Fires it into the offensive zone. Team Slovakia's got the puck along the wall. Denmark's got control of the puck. Nielsen's going to play it against the half wall. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. They'll head to the room with a score, 4-2.
Don't forget to check out our top 10 moments in hockey history. You can find it on our website, voted on by you.
The third period is just moments away. And both Ray and I will be ready to bring you all the action here on EA Sports. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. 40 minutes into this one here. Razor, how do you see things?
Slovakia's ahead in this high-chance, high-danger game. No use changing the way you're going to play now.
Slides it quickly to Bjorkstrand. And he slides it quickly to Eller. Here they come on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves it quickly over to Eller. Lays into the body. Tatar's got the puck in his own zone. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. With the stop. Passes it to Bjorkstrand. On the attack along the boards. Quick feed to Bjorkstrand. Here's a chance. He scores! Well, don't turn this one off yet.
Well, you better not. We're still here. If we're here, you got to be here too. Now, coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only could see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Team Denmark's third period deficit suddenly doesn't seem so insurmountable now.
You can almost see the difference in the bench and the body language. They know they've got a chance.
Puck picked up by Chernak. Denmark's got a hold of it against the wall. Pass back to the point. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. Pretty cut and dry with a tripping call here.
Yeah, but James, every player argues the tripping call because you feel like your stick was in the right place and the other guy stepped on it. Never your fault.
And it looked like there was some late moment lobbying there and it didn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, none. The power play unit goes right back to work.
Well, you're always looking for scoring chances. You're not going to get anything better than this. A power play trailing by 1. Chance to even the score up here on the power play.
2 minutes, 13 seconds.
Takes the feed at the back end. And he loses control of the puck. Takes the pass. And now he tries to get it across to Russell. Keeps hold of the puck. Takes the pass from the boards. Here's a shot, and that one's stopped. Team Denmark's had a lot of good looks on goal, but they still trail early in the third. Jensen's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And another stop.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Lots of time left in this period. It's a one-goal game here. 4-3 is where we sit. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Blocker save! Here's a clearing attempt from their own end. Big win for the short-handed unit as they clear the puck from the zone.
Yeah, no one's going to keep it in the zone when it goes off the glass at that speed.
And now he moves it quickly to Boddicker. Makes the save.
He's working hard to find this puck. There's all kinds of traffic in front of him, and he gets to it before the puck gets to him.
Denmark's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they cannot convert, trailing early in the third. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Bjorkstrand. Takes the feed. Carries it in. And the PK unit gets it done, preserving the one-goal lead.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, isn't it? A chance to tie. They don't cash in, and now we're back to 5-on-5.
Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone.
Team Slovakia's stick position is exemplary tonight. Teams can look at this on video and say, that's how you defend the middle of the ice.
Team Denmark's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Now a quick pass to Christensen. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. Here's an odd man rush. Puts it on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Finds some space in the corner. There's another stop.
Nice work in there after the first stop. He's got to find the puck to save the second.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Move to the middle. Puts it on net and makes the save. And that carries off a stick. Slides the pass over to Tatar. Carries it across the line. Here's a short pass to Yurko. And he comes up with it. Great defensive stick work on the play. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Centering pass. Lets it go. And that banks off a stick. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moved into the middle, and he takes a shot. Blown opportunity. Oh, he put it wide.
You don't get many of these a night, and when it's your turn, you got to be ready to get it on the net. He misses here.
Denmark's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Keeps possession on the play. Fires one on goal, and there's the save.
They're working really hard these days to make sure when they stop the puck, it doesn't stay in front of them. If they can't stop it and catch it, they want that puck in the corner.
Throws it on goal. Stopped by the goaltender. Solid hit on that play. And it's a quick pass to Yurko. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Into the corner. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. They've got the defense outnumbered. From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. And misses over the net. And the puck leaves the zone going back to center ice. Team Denmark's got the puck in the defensive end. Nielsen's got the puck. Quick pass to Nielsen. Back at the point, they set it up. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Knocked away. Takes the feed. Oh, great little takeaway at center. Here's a shot. That goes off a twig. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Boddicker. Oh, smart heads-up read. From the blue line. Denies him on the play. And off the save, that one goes into the crowd for a souvenir.
I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. It's a one-goal game at this point. 4-3 is the score. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Dano's got it against the boards. Moves it to Dano. Receives the pass. Slides the puck down low. Big hit along the boards.
Wow, did he finish him off there? Really nice hit along the wall.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Slovakia's gained possession along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Sends the pass over. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it quickly over to Yaros. Takes control of the puck. And now he moves it to Chernak. And he slides it quickly to Yaros. Moved out in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Ehlers plays the puck. Quick feed to Jensen. And now he moves it quickly to Bjorkstrand. Right in the slot! Right in the slot! Beat the goaltender, but couldn't beat the post.
Denmark's ability to get back in this game is going to rely partly on luck. They get a bad break there as the puck hits the post and stays out.
Denmark's got a hold of it along the wall. And the puck leaves the zone. Puck dumped in. Team Denmark's got the puck along the boards. Hammers it on net. Turns it away on the slap shot.
Daniels used all of his weight to lay this hit along the board. Really solid contact.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. It's been a fun one here tonight. 4-3 hockey game. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Takes a shot. Comes up with the stop. Denmark's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Slides the puck over. Here's a short pass to Tatar. Nice dish from the left wing. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Right out front from point blank. And he makes the save.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Team Denmark's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Gabourik's got it into offensive territory. Denmark's got the puck along the wall. Team Denmark's got it in their own zone. Christensen's got it along the wing. Huge steal in his own end.
Tried just a little bit too much there, James.
Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Team Slovakia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Into the offensive end now. On the attack along the boards. Shot gives them nothing in front.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
In the final moments of this period, fans have been treated to a fun one tonight. Lots of offense. It's 4-3. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Up along the wing. Here they are on the attack. Slovakia's looking to break out of their own end. Over the line they come. Set it out in front. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Here's a chance with the stop. A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Here they come on the attack. Handles it along the blue line. Snapper from the slot and makes the save. Puck grabbed by Ehlers. Puck sent across the blue line. And that's picked off in front. Moves it up. Denmark's got the puck in their own end. Ehlers got it in the offensive zone. Rips it, makes the save. Team Denmark's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Sends a pass over. Team Slovakia's got a hold of it against the wall. Carries it in. Denmark's got the puck. Quick pass to Jensen. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Lets it fly. Denied by the goaltender. Team Denmark's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denmark's got control of it now from their own end. Nearing the final 60 seconds in this one. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Carries it across the line. They've got numbers. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Comes up with a blocker save. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Moved up ahead after a nice pass from the right wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. In need of a goal, the extra attacker's out on the ice. Team Denmark's got possession here in the neutral zone. Cross corner dump in. Nice bank pass off the boards. And he slides it quickly to Chernak. Towards the gaping net, just wide. Denmark's gained possession along the boards. Moves it to Boddicker. Levels him with the hit. Good hit on the play. Centering pass. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. And there's the final horn, putting a bow on this one here this evening.
Well, they'll look at it and say, hey, we controlled play at certain points. We had a better face-off percentage, but just not enough.
Hooray, Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. Have a great night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.